Hi, I'm Fran Drescher. Did you know that this year alone, almost 69,000 women will lose their lives to a woman's cancer? That's why this year you have to support the EIF Revlon Walk Run in support of women's cancer research, counseling, and outreach programs. We are going to be the proud beneficiary of those walks and runs at the Cancer Schmancer Foundation. That's my organization. We're dedicated to saving women's lives because stage 1 is the cure. On May 2nd, we're going to walk and run in New York City, and on May 9th, we're going to be in Los Angeles. So please come out and walk and run at the EIF Revlon Walk Run for Women's Cancers. And if you can't, go on to www.cancerschmancer.org and you can be a supporter of our walk anyway. But come on down. I'll be there and I'd love you to join me and get all your friends to support you in the walk so we can make a lot of money. Stage 1 is the cure.